absolutely lovely. And I said like earlier, I don't know what you've all been eating through 9 months, because the growth from the last time I seen you now is unbelievable. And I think you just brought that in the fun factor to the show as well. Brilliant, well done. Louise, I'm coming.
Oh, girls, I love that song, by the way. I thought it was a really, really good effort. There was a slight timing issue coming into the first chorus, but you brought it back, and the second chorus you came in absolutely fine, so maybe you couldn't hear the music or something, but you brought it back, so it was hardly noticeable. Lovely, lovely harmonies. One thing I would say, don't be afraid to have a little bit more interaction with each other. I mean, that's a bit of a rocky song. You can look at each other and rock it out a bit. You don't always have to be eyes out front. So don't be afraid to interact with each other. You're a duo, so you work as one. But well done, really enjoyed it.
Thanks, Lou. Anya?
Thank you very much. Oh, girls, it was so fun to see you up there then. You had loads of fun with that song, and like that was very rare right at the beginning, because I mean, you were both very, Steph, you didn't want to move, you like, kind of look like this, no? I called it robots, because you look like this when you were singing, but there, you really had fun after such a long time back as well, you know, there was a lot of energy there, especially you sort of like, you know, really cheeky, you know, the confidence has come on so much. Like the development and stage presence is actually quite incredible, but like Louise said, don't forget, there's both of you on the stage, not just us lot. Don't forget to show us a bit of the chemistry that you got there as well. And Ivory as well, the harmony on that chorus is ridiculously high, and I think you like did really well on that, so well done both of you.
Thank you, Anya. Oh, you're going to God. Kelly.
I think...
Oh, there you are.
Thank you, Jo. I think the song really, really suited you, and I think it must have been really, really difficult for you two to even get any rehearsal time whatsoever with social distancing. So I think to come out and maintain the level of chemistry that you had on stage was absolutely fantastic, because you've been apart for 9 months and you've come back and you've picked up where you left off, and I thought that it really, really worked really, really well for you. I love the song choice. I love that you bounced off each other. I thought the harmonies were stronger in the second half, and I heard you in the toilets, and you were fab. You worked so well together, and it's so nice to see you back on that stage gelling, and the amount of effort that you must have had to put in to get it to that level because of all the rules and stuff in place. You really do need to commend yourselves. That was fantastic. Well done.
Thanks, Kel. Joey?
Yeah, girls, I mean, we got to take us back to your journey when you first began now. Now, let's not remember that when you first started this process, you started as solos, and we put you together. So literally, you've only become a duo in that small time that we had first up to the semi-finals. Then we had this 9-month gap, which you haven't been able to see each other, and then you've come in tonight and done that. So, do you know what? Like, even in terms of the performance, like, I'm not too sure you said about, like, a bit more interaction in your performance and that, but I can understand how difficult it was because of social distancing. You two still have to social distance and keep a distance and not be too in your face like that, just in case you spit at each other. So it is a little bit anxious, you know, because you can't help it. But do you know what, girls? I just got to commend you on your journey, because you have come so far. And like I said, tonight this was another song that showed a complete different side to you. Like I said, there was a little bit of, just at the beginning of the start, it came in, a bit of tuning issues, just getting into it. But girls, I can't ask for any more, because I think, considering the situation you've been in, and considering you've come out here tonight, remembering now that you've only been a duo for the 2 months that you had back then, and then literally the last couple of days. So this is still fresh, but we gotta commend you on your journey and how far you have come, because even your second performance, I know how stunning that is, and people will get to hear that. You are amazing. I'm so proud of you both, honestly, because for anybody to be chucked together into a duo, it can be pressure, and you haven't had long to fix it all up, and you've come so far already, and there's a reason why you're here in the final. And it's because you are talented and you do have something special. So believe that, girls. You look like stars tonight, by the way. Proper rock stars. So well done. And I'm looking forward to the next performance. Well done, girls.
Thanks, Joe. This is guys.